It's not sour.
For me, sour.
It's not sour, guys. It's sweet. I like it. I feel like I'm just eating an apple. There's no sour at all. Very nice. Hello guys, good afternoon and happy Sunday to everyone.
And guys, I'm with my baby here. It's right now inside the trolley with lots of food.
Yes, and today in Dubai it is weekend.
In the trolley.
No, sorry, today in Dubai, actually it's working day, but today it is a public and private holiday.
And
I
guys,
think this is New Year Arabic something.
and guys,
It's a New Year Islamic actually. New Year Islamic for Muslims. And what?
and guys, all the internet from us is stop working, and my baby's inside my trolley right now.
Actually, yes. Actually, we don't have internet at the moment. They are working on it. So, now for the meantime, today, anyway, so today we're gonna do a
Mukbang.
mukbang, which is I have here. It is the mango with the shrimp
I love mango.
paste, and actually I don't have enough shrimp paste. So what I did is that I just mix with vinegar. Okay, but still tastes same. I mean, nice. I like it. And while we're doing our mukbang, I'm gonna share with you. By the way, this content is perfect for those couple, for those Indian Filipino couple who are planning to get married in Dubai. So I'm gonna share with you the process and the documents required. This is just based way back 2015 when we have done our civil wedding in Indian Consulate, because Philippine Embassy doesn't accept another nationalities. It should be only Filipino to Filipino. So I want to share with you the process and the documents required. So please keep on watching. So let's just have first mango. Just have a bite.
Me too. And it's so sour, guys.
It's not sour.
For me, sour.
It's not sour, guys. It's sweet. I like it. I feel like I'm just eating an apple. There's no sour at all. Very nice.
Kids, if you taste this, for you it's only sour. A little bit sour for me. Only kids get sour, Mama. But this time for me, it's so sour for me.
Don't dip in the vinegar.
I'm not dipping the vinegar. But it's so sour, Mama. I can't
Okay, guys. So I'll discuss to you the requirements and the process on procedure on how to get married in Dubai. First and foremost, I have the paper here, so I won't forget, and I will give you a proper information. So I have listed this. So I have a list here, so I can able to share with you the proper process and the documents required. First, you have to go to the Indian embassy to get a form for marriage. So they'll give you a form. Those form you have to fill up. Those are just based of your basic information about you. And second, and they will also give you when you go to get the form, they will also give you some requirements. So those requirements, they need the parents' consent. Okay? In India, even if the boy age 40 years old, still they require a parent consent. That is their like one of the requirements. Unlike in Philippines, once the boy age 21 and the girl is 18, doesn't require any parents' consent because we can make our own decision. But in India, it's another way around. It's not allowed. So, since I have to get married in Indian embassy, I have to comply the requirements. And second, you need the singleness. So my husband, he has to take singleness from his country, and me, I have to take mine from Philippines. So you can take it from the NSO. They will give it to you. So at that time,
But me, same.
yes.
Country.
So NSO, they will give you the singleness. Along with that, you also need your birth certificate. So those you should red ribbon. Okay? Again, it has to be red ribbon. Otherwise, they will not accept. Okay? So it has to be red ribbon.
I'm hungry.
And then, after that, you need to publish your you have to publish your marriage in the newspaper. It is required, guys. It is required, guys. You have to publish your wedding in you have to publish your wedding announcement. So you have to publish in the newspaper. Since I'm from Philippines, I have to do it in Philippines. My husband, since he's an Indian, he has to do it in Indian. And then we've done here, we have done also in Dubai. So you have to go to the Indian embassy. They'll give you the form. Okay, that form that you have to publish that in the newspaper. So they'll give you the form. You have to publish that in the newspaper. So you have to publish that in the newspaper for 1 month. So it will be sitting there in the newspaper for 1 month. So every day, before I forgot which newspaper agency that was in way back home, I forgot, but it was every day. It is in the newspaper for the last 30 days. Same as well for my husband.
30 days.
Yes. And after that,
Come at me.
then after that, so
What?
that's all the requirements, guys. You need a parent's consent. You have to go to the Indian embassy. Indian embassy, they will give you the form to fill up for your information, for your partner and you yourself. And then you need the birth certificate and your singleness authenticated. And of course, guys, the parents' consent should be original, okay? And after all these things, once you submit all the document to Indian embassy,
Guys.
then they will give you the date of when you'll be your wedding. So you have to choose the date and the month when it will be. And after that, after the wedding, guys, actually for the entire process of getting married in Dubai, it just takes us like 3 months to complete all the requirements, because my document is going back and forth from Philippines to Dubai, same as to my husband. So yes, it was quite complicated, but we're able to do it. But you require 3 months to do it, because one for the publishing in the newspaper, that's already taken your 30 days. So 1 month is gone. So another 2 months left for you to process the other documents. Okay? Then, after you get married in Indian embassy, it's just like hardly 5 minutes, guys. I get married in Indian Embassy civil wedding. It just hardly 5 minutes. I mean, and then they need also 3 witness. Okay, you require a 3 witness for your civil wedding in Indian Embassy. It should be 3, not 1, not 2, but 3. That time for myself, it was 3 required. 3 witnesses. Okay, and then after that, guys, because since the other person is a Filipina like me, I'm a Filipina. My marriage was not being recorded in the Philippine, let's say Philippine embassy. It was not recorded or NSO because I was civil wed in Indian embassy. So what we've done after our wedding in Indian embassy, you have to go to Philippine embassy to report your marriage. To report your marriage, they needs the requirement of passport copy of your partner, my passport copy, and passport copy, and of course our original marriage certificate from the Indian embassy. So those documents, what we have, everything, the Philippine embassy have sent it to Manila, the main branch of NSO. Okay, main branch of NSO they have sent. So that is another it take us like 2 to 3 weeks before we have received the document back to us. Okay, so now it was being reported now to the embassy. Okay, so now Indian embassy and Philippine embassy, we are in the eyes of Indian embassy and Philippine embassy, we are a couple. We are a married couple. Since we are living in UAE, we have also to do documentation to UAE that we get married here. So now our document, so we want to be legalized married as well in UAE. So what we've done, our document, our marriage certificate, and everything, our document is authenticated and red ribbon. We have sent it again to Ministry of Foreign Affairs in UAE for another stamping. Okay, so actually this is our marriage certificate. For example, this is the marriage certificate in front, and then at the back there is the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, our stamp here. So meaning we are legalized a married couple. Okay. So it is really required. You know why you need a stamping for UAE? Because when the time comes and your husband has to sponsor you, it is required that your marriage certificate, it should have a stamp of Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Okay, not just like, oh, I get married in Philippine embassy, and I get married in Indian embassy, and he can able to apply you a visa without the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. No, it is a requirement that it should have a stamp there from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, so it will honor that, okay, this is your wife. It is legal. It is your wife. So that's it. It is really required to get a visa. So have in mind, make sure Indian Embassy, you get married from Indian Embassy, report your marriage to Philippine Consulate. Okay, they will tell you what to do after next. And then after that, when you get your document from the Indian Embassy, make sure you will go to Ministry of Foreign Affairs to have your marriage certificate stamped. Okay. So it was actually, guys, civil wedding in Dubai is more complicated than church wedding.
Church.
Yes. So our church wedding is just nothing. It's just like they just asked us, where's your civil wedding certificate? We show and finish. No other requirements. Anyway, I'm tired. guys. Our house today is quiet because there's no TV, because there's no Wi-Fi.
Very good, guys. No Wi-Fi, no TV. And I'm getting bored like this. Let's have a fun at home, but I don't want to do it.
Very nice.
I need something else YouTube, like different YouTube can work. Right, Mama? The different YouTube. Remember that square YouTube? I did not the channel YouTube. Look, remember they were like that?
Okay.
Yeah, that YouTube can work. It has no Wi-Fi, right, Mama? Yeah. Facebook can also work.
Facebook, no, need internet.
Facebook? Have internet? I didn't know, Mama.
Finish. And by the way, guys, for the expenses for the civil wedding, just be ready. You should save. You should set aside of, let's say, because that time ours is around 3,000. But that was way back 6 years back. So you better prepare 5,000. But it should not be more than that. But better to be extra than less. I really love it. So guys, that's all for today. And I hope I have shared something important information regarding the procedure or the process and the requirements of getting married in Indian Embassy. Okay, so I hope to see you to my next one. Bye!
Bye!